Hello everyone. So we have already started with this chapter, that is chapter number 3, advanced feature of word processor. These are the key concepts which I have discussed with you in the last video. So in this we have completed the first topic, that is formatting text using Format Painter. Then in the second video I have explained you about the changing font effects. These are 3: strike through, superscript and subscript. And how to use it is given here and I have already told you. Hope those who have understood, they have tried, and those who have not understood, don't worry, we will again doing in the lab when the school will reopen. The practical part we will be doing in the lab when the school will reopen. So don't worry about the practical thing. If you have at your home the laptop or the desktops, you can see the this one steps and you can do it, practice it in your PCs. Now we will start with the next topic, that is using editing tools in MS Word. Tracking changes. The track changes features of MS Word allows you to see what changes have been made in a document. Track changes means when we can keep a track of something. So in MS Word there is track changes also, who keeps an eye on us that what changes we are doing in our particular document. You can easily make a view tracked changes and comments while you are working on a document. Now what we can do, you can easily make and view tracked changes. Track changes, that whatever we have done the changes, how many times we have done the changes, we can track through the things and comment while you are working on a document. We can give comments also and we can track that particular thing. By default, changes such as deletion, comments and formatting are displayed in balloons. Now, if we have by default changes are there. If you have deleted something or the comments have been deleted or it is formatted, it will be displayed like a balloon. Small short balloon will be there to see that. The tools for track changes are available on the review tab. See this figure? Can you see this figure, children? Figure 3.2. This is the review thing. Here you can see the review things, what track you have done. What changes you have done. To track the changes while you edit, do the following. Now if you want to track it, whatever changes you have done till now in your document, what you will do? First of all, open the document. Click on review tab. You will click on this review tab. In the tracking group, click the track changes options. Now you will click on this. This will be opened. Then you will click on the track changes. Make the changes that you want, inserting, deleting, moving or formatting text or graphics. Now in this there are inserting, deleting, moving or any formatting text or graphics is there. You can also add the comments also. You can change these things here. You can add on these things and you can also add the comments if you want to add it. Now come to the next page. Track changes. Now it was track on. Now when we want to turn off the track changes, what are the steps? To turn off tracking the changes in MS Word, follow the given steps. Click the review tab. Again, what you have to do is click on the review tab. In the tracking group, click track changes. What you will do? Review tab, then you will click on the tracking group and then you will click on the tracking changes. Turn off changes. Tracking does not eliminate the tracked changes in your document. A note will be there that turning off changes tracking does not eliminate the tracked changes in your document. So this was the particular thing. Now there are few more things accept or reject the changes, but we will be doing in the next video, because I will not go very fast. One by one topic I will be completing, so that you may be understanding the things slowly. So I am going very slow. So children, please repeat this. If you have desktop or laptop at home, you can practice this at home. Till then, children, be safe, stay home, and thank you.